Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gabby here. Today is going to be a long-awaited video, but it's finally here. I'm going to be doing the iPhone 11 unboxing video. I'm so excited. I needed a new phone for God knows how long, and finally, it's here. Finally, it's here. So we're going to be revealing it today and showing you guys the difference between the one that I have now, which is the 8, and the 11. So let's get right into it. So this is my old phone. This is the old phone that I have. And this is just the crap. Look, it's so old. This thing broke, but it's okay. So this is the regular iPhone. Let me take it off of the case. This is like a struggle. My nails are way too long for this. So bad news, I couldn't take it off. Even had my dad help me, but it didn't work. So we're just gonna leave it like this. This is the size. It's actually pretty small. But not as small as the other ones, but pretty sure the iPhone 11 is a lot bigger. So we're gonna compare it with the sizing. So I got this iPhone 8, I think maybe less than 2 years ago, but I did have it for a while. As you guys can see, it's literally like cracked, like everywhere, because I'm always dropping my phone. But that's the screen protector. Unless it's also the phone, I have no idea, but it doesn't matter because we got a new phone. But I am still keeping this phone. This is just this phone, and along with the other phones, I'm keeping it. And I'm not gonna be backing up my new phone because I wanna start a clean slate. And with my other phone, or with this phone, it has over 24,000 photos, so much data that I'm just gonna leave it on here. And even my contacts, and the new one, I'm just gonna put it in manually, just the people who I usually talk to on a day-to-day basis. Everybody else that's irrelevant, I don't need to put on my freaking phone. So we're just gonna leave it like that. My lock screen, that's me and my lover. So this is the iPhone 11. This is a little box it comes with. I just got the white one because I just like regular, plain stuff. And I think this is just more classic. I just want regular white. No offense to everybody else who has the colors, you know, that's fine. It still looks great. So let's open it up. I'm so excited. Now I didn't get the Pro because, well, I already have a camera, so I don't need another camera. Because the iPhone 11 Pro is kind of like a camera in a phone. And I have a camera, so I don't need to spend extra money on something that's just kind of irrelevant for me. So I think the iPhone 11 is perfect. And yeah, this is the phone. Wow, it's beautiful. So let's just remove it. Be very careful. I break absolutely everything. So it doesn't feel as big as I thought it would be. This is what it looks like. Looks like this. It has the 2 cameras over here as opposed to the iPhone 8, which obviously, my case looks so bad, but whatever. Which obviously has 1 camera. So yeah, that's a cool touch. I'm guessing that the photo is gonna be absolutely amazing, way better. And yeah, let's do a little ASMR over here by taking off the little thing over here. Ready? This is my phone case that I got that I'm gonna be putting on the iPhone 11. And I just got this off of Amazon. If you guys want it, I will put it in the description bar. But yeah. I kind of just like classic marble. Just the classic kind of girl. I also got AirPods because I've been wanting to get AirPods and I don't have any, so I got my AirPods along with the iPhone 11. So a little more up close with the iPhone 11. Very pretty. In comparison to the iPhone 8, this one obviously doesn't have a home button. So this is gonna take some time getting used to, because I'm so used to using a home button. You guys can see my ring light in the reflection. But you obviously can see that the iPhone 11 is bigger, it's wider. A lot wider. Turning it on. It says hello. Hey girl, what's up? Oh wait, we gotta go click on hello because it's for English. I also speak Italian, so we can do for Italian, but I guess we'll just stick for English for the purpose of this video. Okay, let's go back to English, come on. We're gonna click on English. Country region is the United States. Quick start, I'm gonna set up manually. Okay, so I actually just got back and I filled in my Wi-Fi password. And now we're just gonna click next. It says make it take a few moments to activate your iPhone. So we'll just wait. Data and privacy, continue. Face ID. Oh, these people, when they see me with a full face of makeup, it's gonna be like, who is this bitch? But let's do the face ID anyway. Get started. Okay. Move your head slowly. Oh. Oh, we gotta do it like that. I should put the face on. Oh, we gotta do it again. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. This is the weirdest thing. Okay, second Face ID scan complete. Face ID is now set up. Continue. Create a passcode. Okay. So this may take a few minutes. They should have said it may take a few hours to set up your iPhone because shit, it's taking forever. Screen time, continue. App analyze. Sure. True tone display. Continue. Continue. Display zoom. What is that? Swipe up to get started and then. Oh wait, what happened? Okay. There we go. Look how pretty. Swipe up to unlock. And boom. And there you have it, guys. The iPhone 11. Yeah, so my first impression of the iPhone 11 is that it is a good size. And because it doesn't have a home screen, it looks a lot wider. I'm gonna put on my case now. Oh, FaceTime with my cousin Jill. Hey, I'm doing a video.
Hey people. No, I'm kidding.
Please say hi.
Hi, I'm so I didn't know you were doing a video.
How the FaceTime looks. Yo, my big ass ring light is like in the background. But look at this is my marble case. This was supposed to be an unboxing video, now it's like a meet my cousin video. My whole bra is out. Oh my god, like that. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope this helped in some way. I mean, I don't really know. But I just wanted to show you how it looked on the iPhone 11, how this operates or whatever, but I definitely think that you should go out and buy it. I think it's a good investment. And watch out for my MacBook Air video. Okay. Alright, Jill's making me nervous. Please subscribe. Love you so much. Have a great day. Bye. Ciao.